Hey, what's up guys? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm going to show you 4 important tips in Adobe Premiere Pro that may help you to increase the speed of your workflow in Adobe Premiere Pro. So the first one is adjusting volume. When you are editing video, then you may need to adjust the volume of your clip. Usually what we do, we select the clip, then we go to effects control panel, then from the volume section we just increase the volume just like that. And there is an alternative way. We can just drag this line upwards to increase the volume just like that, and we can just drag this volume line downwards to decrease the sound. That is a good option actually, but what if I say there is a better option? So when you are playing the video, if you found the audio level is little bit down, you can just increase the volume just by pressing this arrow key. You can see the volume is increasing by 1 dB here. You can see the volume is increasing by 1 dB. So you will have a lots of control here. You will know how much you are pressing and how much the volume is getting loud, right? So this is a very handy feature. And if you want to decrease the volume, then you can just press this arrow key. It will decrease the volume just by 1 dB. The next one is when you are working with a big project, then you may need to organize your video footage just like that. Suppose here is a project and I have put all of these audio clips here. This is music, then again sound clips, and again if you see here I have placed all of my camera clips. Then in this folder I have some b-rolls, then sequence, screen record. Suppose you need to go to your camera section where you have recorded your face cam. You need to find that clip, right? So what should you do? You need to scroll down this project panel and find where the footage is, then where the camera is. So it is a little bit noisy and crowded, right? So to do that a little bit efficiently, what can you do? You can just press Alt, and if you just click on this arrow section, then it will minimize all of the expansion. And if you just want to expand the folders again, you can press Alt or Option. Then if you click on this arrow, then it will expand all of the folder on your project panel. And what if you just want to expand one single folder? You can press Ctrl. If you just press Ctrl and click here, then it will expand this folder only. And if you just press Alt or Option, then it will expand all of the folder. So this is a very handy tip. You can use that on your next project. The next tip is when you are working with a project you have completed the editing. Now you want to add some background music. Then I need to go to my audio section, then music section, and I want to use this music clip as my background music. I'm just dragging it here. You can see the music duration is not enough for my project, right? I need to increase the duration. Usually we just trim the section and again try to match it just like that. Sometimes it works good, but it is not a perfect match, right? If I just play back it, you can see there is a jump here. So if you want to have a flawless background music, then you can use the brand new tool in Adobe Premiere Pro. Here is it. If you just click and hold here, then you will have a new option called Remix tool. Just select that, then click and drag your music as the duration of your project, just like that. It will process the music and it will remix it accordingly, and you will have a flawless background music just like that. But if you want to have this feature, you need to update your Adobe Premiere Pro to Adobe Premiere Pro 2020.4.0 version. And the last one is, suppose I need to write a text. So I'm just selecting text tool and then I'm writing hello. And then I need to edit the text. To do that, I need to go to Window, then enable Essential Graphics. Then you will have an option just like that. You can just increase the font size here. So here is the default font is Minion Pro, but I don't like that font, right? I usually use Bebas font family or Gotham font. So if you have a favorite font that you want to use very frequently, you can just favorite it. You need to go here, text section, and select that font. Suppose I want to favorite Gotham, then I need to click on this start sign, then Bebas, then maybe Helvetica Compressed. So I'm just making these fonts as my favorite. If I need to use it, then I can just click here and go to my favorite section, and from here I can choose this font very easily. If you just click here, you can choose this font very easily. That is a must feature that you need to use if you are working with text a lot. So that's all for today. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have enjoyed this video and learned something new from this one, you can give me a thumbs up. And if you are new to this channel, then you can subscribe to this channel to get more video just like this one. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Until then, goodbye.